The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, this is just a quick update for me to know what going on in the country of Jamaica. Now, there's reports out there about the vice principal of Excelsior High School who had been shot and killed at her home that is within the parish of St. Andrew, that is of the country of Jamaica. Now, this is said to have happened on the 9th of April 2020. And according to reports, it is said that the female had been shot and killed by a gunman who then fled the scene of the incident and is on the run. And according to reports, it is said that the vice principal had been pronounced dead at the hospital. Now, viewers and subscribers, I have an audio that is out on social media, and according to what has been said about this audio is that this audio is said to be a son of the vice principal who had been shot and killed. All right. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave this audio with you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you might have a better understanding as to what had happened, and you can also tell me what you think. All right. Now, here I'm going to leave the audio with you, my viewers and subscribers. All right. So until next time, my name is Dancehall. Wanna big up on yourself, stay safe, and walk good.
Today was actually my littlest brother, my smallest brother's birthday. She went on the road to buy some stuff for him because we were going to celebrate amongst ourselves. She came back and she was outside with my middle brother cleaning. Now we live in a dead end, for those who know where I live. So you living in a dead end, you would know the cars that traverse the area on a daily basis. When you see a strange car, you take note. Now she and my little brother were outside cleaning up the yard, and the car passed. He took note, she didn't, because her back was turned. He said the guys were looking in the yard. Then they went to the dead end, they turned and passed back. They were driving slow, and he saw them looking in the yard again. Him said by the time him said to her, "Mommy, come, me no trust the car here, come make we go inside," and him drop the rake. The guy one of them just jump out of the car and just start shoot. Him run, a little brother run inside, and she run off behind him, but like she got shot and she fell. And the man my little brother said him turn back and say, the man just put him on over the fence and just she on the ground and just shoot her. Run off back and jump into the car and the car drive off. Me run out. By the time me run out, them don't drive off already. I try to put pressure upon the wound. I call police, because my little brother him don't know what to do. Me hold her head, I don't know what I do. She was breathing, and the police came relatively quickly still. They came within them came less than 5 minutes. I guess they were probably close. They lift her up, put her in the van, and them drive off with her and pronounce her dead at the hospital.